Hello, my name is Aradia of Aradia Art YT, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today will be part 1 of my DIY wall collage series. I hate how my wall looks, this one here. I don't know, I'm sorry if you like it, but I think it's ugly, so I'm going to be starting in my setup area, so I'm going to just start over here where you can see it right now with the camera, and I'm going to work my way out from there, and eventually I'm going to cover this whole wall, because it's very off-putting. I can't find decorations that look good on there, so I guess we just have to hope that it ends up looking better and not worse, because then that'll be a huge waste of my time, and I'm going to post the video anyway. I'm going to set up and make some collage pieces, and then I will be back with you to hang them up. So this is the aftermath of making like 5 pages. When will you learn? Yeah, there's gonna be like a lot of parts. I might film it a little different next time, I don't know. like it so far. I'm gonna go all the way up the ceiling and wrap around here. I'm gonna put something small here in this like middle section. I don't know what yet. I'll find something neat. Hey, just an update. In this blank space here that I had, I put a picture of my mom. May she rest in peace. Alright, so that's all I've got today, but I really hope you'll join me for part 2. Hopefully I will get more done in part 2, like more than just a few pages. I can really like crank hard, you know, like cut the pieces ahead of time so that I can do it faster. But yeah, I like it so far. I mean, it's not so plain now. Should be a lot better once I get it like fully covered. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Keep creating, stay stylish, and I will see you next time.